Today it is very nice time, nice place and nice action of listening the truth through science and spirituality with the 100% present sense of mind. I welcome all the listeners and watchers. So sir, please tell us about the institution. This is the uniqueness started by Bepara Shyamastana Ji Maharaj.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir.
Actually, Bepara Mastana Ji Maharaj has established this Rohani college, Dera Sacha Soda, at Sirsa, Haryana, which is located 250 kilometers away from capital of India, Delhi, and it is named Dera Sacha Soda.
Sir, what is the mean of spirituality? Please make us aware about this unique concept for our modern youngsters.
Spirituality, there's a lot of definition of spirituality. When we go through different religions, different holy books, there are different definitions of spirituality, but there is one unique definition of it, and according to that, it is a unification of our soul with the good Lord. In other words, we can say it's a kind of communication between our soul and the good Lord.
Sir, in this modern age, it is a dark age, and how we can escape our soul from the evils, as per your thoughts and words, I would like to know. Please tell us.
There is no doubt it's a time of vices, it's a time of evil culture, and people are just running after bad things these days, and because they don't know what is the actual purpose of coming here, taking birth here. Okay, we are just running away from our fundamental things, fundamental ethics. We have just forgotten our etiquettes in our life, and only through the spirituality we can enlighten our soul, we can just awaken our soul, and we can come on the right path of spirituality, and the meaning, and we can live the meaningful life with purpose.
Sir, you are the devotee of this institution, and you know that this institution is matchless, incomparable, and peerless throughout the world. So, may I know about the founder of this institution, brief history of the starter of this institution? Please tell us.
As we have discussed earlier in starting of this interview, the Beparwa Shah Mastana Ji Maharaj has established this institution, Dera Sacha Soda, and he came here after the independence of India from Balochistan, which is now part of Pakistan, and in 1948 he came in Sirsa, Haryana, and there he has started this institution, Dera Sacha Soda, and the purpose of this institution was just to save the dying humanity. People were just have forgotten God's words. They were just following fake lords. The people was, the thugs were there, and they were just manipulating them, and just teaching them that there is like this God, their God. And there is a saying in Punjabi I heard from the second spiritual leader of Dera Sacha Soda, that koi chota rab, koi vadda rab, main keda keda rab manna. So there were a lot of tiny lords out there, and the purpose of Dera Sacha Soda was just to bring humanity, the human race, on the right path and directly towards the good Lord, Supreme Power, who He is, the actual Lord of this entire universe.
Sir, what is the purpose of human beings or this man who is spending his life in earning and spending only, how he can get rid from this materialistic world for attaining the salvation and emancipation. Sir, would you like to tell us some aspects related to the objectives of this modern saint? Please tell us.
These days, as we can see, people are just running after money. At any cost, they just want money, and they are just fulfilling their desires, and they are forgetting the importance of their soul. What is the food of their soul? Like they are feeding their body, they are eating something for their body just to keep it healthy. But these days, humans are not taking anything just to keep their soul healthy. In the modern world, it's necessary just to take God's words, to believe in spirituality, because through this, as we have discussed, we can enlighten our soul, we can just awaken our soul, and it will be a better world the next moment when the entire human race will understand the importance of spirituality and just follow these steps, and that's it.
Thank you, sir. Ultimately, I would like to know that our youngsters, our youth, children, and all kind of people are running towards the use of social media, social sites, and websites. Numberless online programs are being run, and all are busy on these services. How these services, these modern type of inventions can help a man to attain the oneness with God or spiritual power? Please tell us, sir.
These days, you rightly said that people are just involved in social media platforms. Just they are using one platform to another. They are just jumping from one to another and just wasting their time. I think these things are for betterment of the world. These things were invented to use for good, but these days just youngsters and I don't like to mention just youngster, the entire population of the universe, they are just involved in using these things and just for nothing. They are just wasting their time. But through the spirituality, through the God's word, we can just collect the power of our souls, because you can see how powerful these things are in the future, in the physical entities. These are the Google, there is vast knowledge of everything, the internet, it's very helpful, the speed of light, that's damn powerful. We just read in science, there is nothing has the more speed of than the light. But if we ever just enlighten our soul, we can get a knowledge of everything just beyond the world, because this world is just like a drop from an ocean. The supreme power, the good Lord, is as ocean of love, and this universe is just a drop. So we have to go beyond this world. We have to think beyond this world to collect the power of our soul, and through that we can educate everybody around us.
Really, sir, your thoughts for our youngsters, for our youth is really knowledgeable, informative, instructive, and directive. If the power of the materialistic world is so powerful that our whole creation is being covered and circled with the consumption of these materialistic things, that is mortal and perishable one day, but the who is immortal and unperishable, that is only the spiritual power which consists inside the human body. And above all these things, what is the flight of our freedom of our soul, that is really unrelenting, unceasing, and unstopping. So, what lesson would you like to express for the youngsters through the MSG messages? Please tell us, sir.
So, the Saint MSG, the third leader of Dera Sacha Soda, from 1990 to onwards, and he's playing a vital role in saving humanity. Under his guidance, the Dera Sacha Soda is running 134 welfare works around the world just to make a happy world around us. And for the youngster, I just want to say, connect yourself with God's words, connect yourself with good deeds, good things, and escape from the evils around us. And if a human is wise to choose fire between fire and water, which is not flammable, then I think he's able to choose which is a right path for him or for her. So everybody should just involve in good deeds and take God's words, and that would be the best way to immortalize your education and your just legacy.
Sir, your thoughts are really scientific and argumentatively, logically, you have the great thoughts for the spirituality. Undoubtedly, I claim that you are one of those personalities, those who are leading their life in the world of spiritualism. And in this oceanic life of spiritualism, everyone is running towards the consumption of the goods, and so it has become the frustration, depression and anxieties, worries of the all scholars and worldly people. So for getting rid from these things, what lesson would you like to provide? Please tell us, sir.
I'd just like to say in one word, just meditate. Meditate. We have left meditating. We have forgotten the God's words, and that's the best way. And I think that's the best way to get knowledge, because there is vast knowledge of everything. There is there are a lot of books around us, but no book can give us that knowledge which tells us that it's good for our soul, it's good for the world, it's good for the humanity, and that's what the most, I think, the need of this present era.
Dr. Vikram, you are really right up to your stand that the repetition of the God's words can help us in feeling the presence of the Lord forever, everywhere. If we forget the presence of the Lord, then 1,000 anxieties, worries, frustrations, depressions naturally comes around our soul, and our soul becomes losing power. So for the winning of the soul, you have explained a lot of words for the watchers and listeners. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and words with Dr. Rakesh. Thank you. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir, for having me. Thank you.
Karta.